Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this VINBAGGE waterproof anti-theft backpack. It's possible to load this backpack with a 17.3-inch laptop. Oh yeah, that's a nice big pack. The big and the backpack in one. It's for men. Of course, for women, it's also possible to wear. But on the market, there is a pink version. Oh yeah, this is really cool for girls, I think. But if you like the black one, get the black one, of course. Yeah. With USB port, that means we can lay our USB cable through the VINBAGGE, and maybe we can reload something like our smartphone or something else. It's a really cool school backpack or a large business and notebook backpack for work, for travel, for men, for boys, in black as you can see. And the material is made of durable and seal-proof Oxford materials. The backpack is waterproof but sturdy. Ultralight fabrics relieve our journey. The backpack is made of waterproof fabric, but the zipper connection is not waterproof. We do not expose to heavy rain or we go diving with it, okay? But overall, it is waterproof. That's really cool. The dimensions are 33 to 22 to 49 centimeters. These are 12.9 inches to 8.6 to 19.3 inches. The zip pocket and the slot offers us a spacious storage space for a 17.3 inches laptop, clothes, books, cards, wallet, ID cards, and other items. And we have an ergonomic design. Yeah, the 3D breathable padded panel with a strong elasticity allows a comprehensive airflow around our back. This absorbs shocks and ensures maximum ventilation and breathability. And each backpack has a hole for a USB port and a combination lock, which is convenient for travel. This accessory can free our hand and protect it from thieves. And it's multifunctional. It's sort of for giant excuses session, shopping, working, for school, for hiking, for biking, for sports, and mountaineering, and so more. It can also be used for daily use while you go shopping or something else, because it is a small, light, white, but with a big capacity in this area. This is a waterproof backpack with a dimension of 33 to 22 to 49 centimeters. This not only allows for more space for items, but it also lighter and white. It must be made of a durable Oxford material, so it should be so strong. Very convenient for traveling, for working, for study, and so on. It can make waterproof, so it protects our laptop against water and rain. But take care, the zippers are not waterproof, so take a little bit of care. And it can protect our trousers, our pads, our shoes, whatever we get into it. Because we have a large capacity, we have 43-liter capacity. It comes with different zipper, so we can sort a lot of stuff in different areas, up to 43-liter. We have waterproof polyester fabric. It's a laptop backpack, a notebook backpack, a work backpack, a school backpack, and so on. We have a zipper pocket, a cell phone pocket, document pocket, intermediate zipper pocket, a computer compartment, internal compartment, and so on. The material is an Oxford cloth. It can be used as a work backpack, a computer backpack, a school backpack, a business backpack, a laptop gaming backpack. It's compatible up to 17 inches size of laptop, which you can install into it. It can be a college backpack, for men, for women, for students, for boys, for teenagers, and so on. We have one slot for up to a 17.3-inch laptop. We have 2 front zipper pockets. We have 2 side mesh pockets. We have 8 card slots, RFID protected. We have a protected free combination lock from Thieves, if we like. We have a back strap for attaching to our luggage. We have a USB port for charging, and it's not a USB port, but it is a whole port for a USB cable. That's good for not only for USB reloading things, it's also good for headphones and something else. We can play mobile phone or listen to music anytime and anywhere with a mobile power without a power bank if we use our smartphone, which is inside, and we go with a wired connection outside through that hole. Then we can use it outside without a power bank, of course. Or we can use a power bank with it, or we what we like, because it's so big possibilities in this VINBAGGE waterproof anti-theft backpack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.